Dr. Dan Kalish, and we're going to talk about amino acid testing for building a healthy immune response. Probably not the first thing that you would think of when you think of the immune response, but hopefully we can convince you that this is the first place to start when you're building a healthy immune response. Now, I should just do a quick sound check, make sure you guys can hear me. If someone could raise their hand, and then I will, thank you, I will relax. Whew. Okay, now I can relax. So, I thought I would start off with telling you the punchline of this whole thing. So in case something happens and you need to go check your email or leave, even in the next 5 minutes, you'll get the main point of the talk. So I'm going to start off with the most important thing rather than building up to the most important thing and telling you at the end. So the most important thing here is that when our immune system is activated, and we get inflamed and we make a whole ton of cytokines, and we have a cytokine storm, or maybe even just a cytokine drizzle, right? Then what happens is that we deplete amino acids in order to do that. And there's one really important amino acid that is how you make many of these cytokines, which is called tryptophan. And so if you have a lot of inflammation, if you have a lot of tissue damage, and then you're fighting an infection actively, and it could be any kind of infection, it could be a viral infection, it could be a parasitic infection, it could be a bacterial infection. It doesn't really matter, right? You're going to have this depletion of tryptophan, and that's going to severely limit your ability to synthesize proteins, because proteins require 20 amino acids in order to be synthesized. And the rate limiting step in the synthesis of all proteins in the body, except for collagen, is tryptophan. It's the amino acid that we have in the smallest amount in every single protein. So if you looked at every single protein in the human body, you would see there's approximately the same amount by percentage of tryptophan in every one of those proteins. And it's the smallest amount of an amino acid in any human protein. So it's susceptible to problems. And this explains so many different things in functional medicine about why people get one problem that leads to 1,600 other problems, because it really does matter. So the whole rest of the hour, we're going to talk about the background behind this, but that's really the punchline. And